Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by isolating the hardware, plug the headset into another device so you know it works. Once done, check the controller port and any inline mute or volume controls. A loose plug or muted mic is a common culprit. Make sure batteries are charged or the headset is powered. Then perform a full controller and console restart. Hold the controller pairing and Xbox power for a clean reconnect. These basic checks save time and tell you whether the issue is the headset or the Xbox. Next, you address software and routing. Open the Xbox Accessories app and update the controller and headset firmware because mismatched firmware often breaks audio. Then go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Volume and Audio Output and confirm headset format, chat mixer, and headset volume are correct. Set chat/game balance to center. If wireless, repair the controller by using the bind buttons. If wired, swap the cable or try an official adapter. These steps fix most connection and configuration conflicts. Finally, clear lingering state by powering down, unplugging the console for 30 seconds, then powering up to clear cache. This often restores muted or unrecognized headsets. Test the headset on another controller and test another headset on your controller to localize the fault. As a last resort, back up settings and perform a console factory reset, but only if you've exhausted updates and tests. If audio still fails, contact Xbox support or the headset maker. One troubleshooting tip: try a known good 3.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.